Destyle the God, Salt and Anchor, coming to you live from the hood to show you how to hook up a studio, little something. First of all, get yourself a little something that you can put your hands on from wherever which way that you gotta get it. Now a lot of stuff gotta be registered online. Serials, numbers, whatever you gotta accomplish. So we got this. Bam. Little speaker right here. I got it for I want to hear sometimes my bass and sounds, you know. Then I got this little headphone. So that speaker right there costed me about $200. This headphones costed $120, about under $100 really. Sterling. Good little things. Microphone. You need one of these to transmit the sound to get it to the computer. I got my little alien computer broken. This is broken. Like I said, when you in the hood, you deal with what you gotta do. You know, when I was getting this thing, it broke, so I put it on my TV like that. And now we went over here. You see my shoes is in my living room. Excuse the mess, y'all. That's actually exactly how I want things, because that's where they belong, so I can get to them. And then that's what we do with the shoe closet. You see that? That's why I sit right there. Boom. Look at that. We put the microphone. We put this microphone. See, sometimes this shit fall apart, so you just gotta put it back on. Or figure out which way that this shit go on. I think it go on like that. There you go. And see how I had the black duct tape right here? See, if something's broken, you just put a brace in it like that with some tape on it. And then got the mic thing, screwed it in. Put it over here. Put all this stuff right here over here in this box right here. Now we got this closet, see, with the no echoes. And what we did was we used furniture blankets. You see what I'm saying? Furniture. Well, this is a kind of a comforter, but it's like a furniture blanket. You see, you can even hold it like this. Then when I lock them in the booth, I put this here. I don't know, can you see that right there? So I close this right here. Then when I close the door, you see what I just did? Now they in the booth. That's the booth. That's the sound booth right there. You know, sometimes we even double up the walls, put some on the ceiling and on the floor. No echoes. That's how we do it. Well, actually, I don't even know if you heard me. But what I was saying was we did it with no echoes. Perfect, just like. Now, what else we got in here? It's basically that's it, what we need. Right here, look under here. Can y'all see this right here? I'm gonna take this out. Actually, I don't have to take it out. Boom. See that? MPK. See what it do? That's if you want to get the keyboard skills. Me, I've been trying to put this shit together, a little something. You see, you pick up this. See, I didn't have a computer desk because it's the hood, baby. So I found this. That was by the dumpster. By this was right here. See, why pay for stuff? You know what I mean? If you can get a deal. See what I did? This table right here. And then underneath the table, boom. That's what the alien is. See that? But this is all broke. That glass was broken, so I put this table on top of this table. Boom. That's a studio right there, baby. Now we need the software. So then we go online and then we download some. We get the boom. Then we tell them. This is what we tell them right here. That's what we tell them, baby. We come through. Now we're gonna so we got all the options and sounds with this. This called the software to make music right here.
Pop my radio.
No one can stop me or replace me. It's my favorite. Yo, this is my TV show. No one can stop me or replace me. It's my TV show. And this is how you get your stuff done cheaply in the hood. And we're gonna be soon to make these upgrades. And then y'all gonna look back and them be laughing at this shit right here. But it's actually the first day when it started. I just had the idea. And last month, about 2-3 months ago, I decided to buy these computers and then get the software. And then I just made this closet last week. And now I'm like, I could get two little different sounds formats, but pretty much we're gonna show you that we're gonna start here and we're gonna be you're gonna see where we get to. And you're gonna do it with me. I'm gonna do it with you. And we're gonna do it with love, with God. You know what I mean? We do it with all the we remember the ancestors, because that's who we are in our DNA. What we've been doing for thousands of years. We've been herding sheep. Have we been fighting? What have we been doing? Well, we don't really have to ask because it's in us. You know, while this coronavirus vaccination is trying to mess with our DNA, you know. Well, I don't really care. I don't worry about that. What I know is that this is how you make a studio in the hood.